End of illness through nature cure. Hi, this is Rajendra Dalikar from Passion Nature Wellness Foundation, West Madpalli, Secunderabad. Mahatma Gandhi well said, nature cure is very easy, simple and cheap. This system should be adapted and used. Reverse in 72 hours diabetic, heart, BP, asthma, piles, fever, UTI infections, all through nature cure. And other lifestyle diseases is very easy to reverse through nature, and we give you a special diet which in tune cures all your lifestyle disease and issues.